Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering the phone completely off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorting and lets you inspect contacts. Once done, you visually check the SIM card for scratches, bent corners, or debris because physical damage is a top cause. Make sure the card matches the phone's SIM size and that the tray fits flush. If contacts look dirty, gently clean them with a soft cloth or 70% isopropyl on a swab. Now reinsert carefully, aligning the notch. You boot the device and immediately test software-level recognition by toggling airplane mode. This forces the radio to reset. Then go to Settings into Network or SIM Management and verify the card is listed and enabled. If it shows unknown or no service, the phone may need a carrier profile. Make sure carrier settings and the phone's OS are up to date, because mismatches can break authentication. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted configs. You now isolate the fault. Insert the SIM into a different unlocked phone to see if it registers. If it does, the original phone likely has a hardware or firmware issue. If it doesn't, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning, check for an MA block, or request a replacement SIM. Carriers can remotely provision new profiles. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to rule out deep software corruption. If that fails, visit an authorized service center for hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.